Now that we have fully explored solving exponential equations, let's go ahead and look at their inverse, a log equation. So it's going to be similar. Remember, if we had the same exponent base b on both sides, then we could cancel those out and just set exponent equal to exponent. Well, the equivalent thing here is that if we have a log with a base of b on one side, and we're taking the log base b of some number or combination of numbers and variables, we'll just call it x, and that's equal to a log with the same base of b of y, then the log base b's on both sides will cancel out, and we are left with x is equal to y. So if the bases match, then the logs must match. So let's take a look at a couple of examples here. I have natural log. Remember, that's log base e, our natural base. Natural log of 4x minus 7 is equal to natural log of x plus 5. Since I have the same base, a base of e for natural log, the natural logs can cancel. And I am left with 4x minus 7 is equal to x plus 5. And now I just simply need to solve this equation with numbers and variables on both sides. So let's get the variables on one side. I'm going to subtract x, leaving me with 3x minus 7 is equal to 5. And then let's add 7 to both sides. That's going to leave me with 3x is equal to 12. And finally, dividing by 3, I get x is equal to 4. All right, why don't you try this one? It's very similar. Identify the common base and go from there. All right, let's see how you did. These both have the common log as the log on each side. Remember that that's a base of 10, so you could say that this was common log or log base 10. But either way, they are the same on both sides, so we can just look at what we were taking the log of and solve that. 7x minus 4 equals 2x plus 11. We're going to go through the same steps of moving variables to one side, so subtract 2x from both sides to get 5x. I want to then move the constants to the other side, so I'm going to add 4 to both sides. That's going to give me 5x equals 15, and finally dividing by 5, I get x is equal to 3.